Make $13 again and again with clicks. What's going on, everyone? Nathan here, and that's exactly what we are going to have a look at in today's video. It's going to be an easy way to make money online 2019 and beyond. All you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around here, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities and much more on a consistent basis. And make sure you hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, before we dive into today's opportunity here, it's going to be a quick one, so make sure you watch the whole video so you don't miss out on any important information here. And you're probably not going to get rich with this opportunity I'm going to share with you here today. So if you're interested in building a real online business, make a full-time passive income online, you want to check out my #1 recommendation right here below at the end of this video, of course. But this is another perfect opportunity to get started to make some extra money online with while you build your real online business there. With that being said, let's get started. Okay, so basically what we are going to have a look at in today's video, we're going to make money by shortening our links there. So I shared in a lot of videos earlier here that, let's say for example, as we have here, a ClickBank. This is a ClickBank affiliate link and it looks really ugly to share this link there. So one of the services I recommended in the past is Bitly, so this is the shortened version and it definitely looks much nicer with this kind of links there. So what you're going to do is you're going to do the exact same thing with the only difference that you can actually make money every time someone clicks through that link that you have shortened. And we are actually at the site here, which is clicksfly.com. So you can see here, shorten URLs and earn money. So you insert the URL after you are registered and you get a similar link like the Bitly link that I showed you earlier here. So what they say here is that you can earn on every link you shorten and share up to $150 per 10,000 views. We're going to have a look at the details exactly here on how much you can earn. But let's have a quick look first at the homepage here. It works as it says here in just 3 simple steps. So what you do is you create an account, you shorten your links and you get started to share that link, and of course you earn money there. So you can see that this is probably the highest paying URL shortener and completely free tool where you can share and create your short links, which apart from being free, you get actually paid. Okay, so you can make money from home when managing and protecting your links there. Now how much you can earn, you will have a quick look at that later on. There is also a referral program there, so this is also another opportunity that you can make money with this site, which is not bad at all because you will actually receive 20% of the people that you refer of their earnings for life there. It is a low minimum payout, which is also another good one. Of course, you only have to come up to $3 and you can actually get started to request the payout there. Now the payout via PayPal, which is very nice also. There is some other opportunities there like Bitcoin and I can't remember where else it was there, but it all depends on what you're interested in. Probably most of you will be interested in PayPal there. So if I have a look at how it works, it is more or less as I have explained earlier here. You just create that link, you get your shortened link and you start to share that link. And there is also the referral program there. So here is actually something that we are interested in, and you can see here that the payout rates, the minimum payout is $3. They do pay out weekly and monthly. You have Bitcoin, PayPal, Payoneer, Paytm, bank transfer and so on there. So definitely a few alternatives. And this is where I come up with a conclusion. For United States, you can earn $13 here. for both desktop and mobile, and now this is per 1,000 views. So keep in mind, as I said, it's not something that you are going to get rich on, but definitely a good way to make some extra money online. And of course you will make even more if someone purchases whatever you are promoting there, okay, as an affiliate. So I'm going to give you a good idea actually on how you can get something viral here, a good idea. So hang on here. Let's have a quick look if it was something else I wanted to share with you. There is some payment proof, but you can have a look at the details here for yourself actually. So I came up with the idea, let's say for example that you type in YouTube free antivirus. What you can do is a free video like this one. You can see that there is 301,000 monthly searches for this keyword. You can see this video that is number 1 here has 1.4 million views. Okay, so exactly as I said, now this is shortener, this is Google's shortener, but you would have used ClicksFly here and share some antivirus program. It can be 1, 2, 3 or whatever, and you can be affiliate for this also. So just find, all you have to do is actually search for antivirus and affiliate program, for example. But imagine if you have had your links here and you would have received 1.5 million views almost. I mean, if you take only 10% conversions there, it would have been 150,000 or something like that. So imagine to get that conversions not only on ClicksFly, I'm sorry, but also to earning commissions for the antivirus program. You can do the same for free download, free spamware or whatever it can be. So use your imagination, start a search for whatever you think you can be affiliate, and all you have to do is share that link as much as possible. Can be at tons of social media sites also, like Twitter, Pinterest or whatever. Alright, so as I said in the beginning, this is definitely something that you won't get rich on. So if you're interested in building a real online business, make a full-time passive income online, you definitely need to check out my number 1 recommendation right here below this video. If you got some value here, I really appreciate if you smash that like button below. You'll find an end screen with 2 channel recommendations. Make sure to subscribe to both. Hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another Make Money Online video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.